Hello, this is my video on how students see blocks in Moodle. In the center of the page, they can see the contents of the course, and the blocks are on the left side, on the right side, or at the bottom of the page. On the left side, they can use QR code block. Instead of writing URL address, they can scan the QR code with their mobile phones. They can see the participants by clicking on the participants and see the names of all the participants and the groups they have joined. Okay, I'll go back, and they can also see the online users. They can hide their online status or write a message to some other participant. Instead of using tab this course and select some activities, they can use block activities and select some activity. They can see external tools by clicking on them, and they can use for example this external tool video tutorial on screen customatic. I'll go back, and there are other activities like forums. They can participate in the forums, group self-selections. They can use resources by clicking on them and see the resources for that week, download and use that resource. Okay. They can go into the meeting, online meeting. This is a nice block where the students can see their progress, and if it's ticked, then they have finished that assignment, and see what next assignment they should do. The level up block shows the activity of the students, and you can see the activities of all students by clicking on the ladder, and here is the level on the students' activities. Okay, I'll go back, and on the bottom of the page there is administration, and if they want they can unroll from the course. On the right side there are the latest announcements and the clock, the server clock and my clock. It's very useful to know when to join the online meetings, the upcoming events, and if they click on the calendar, they can see the events for and activities for that month. Here is on the Saturday a Zoom meeting. Okay, I'll go back, and there are also badges. If they click on the badge, they can download the badge. So this is how students can use blocks in Moodle. Thank you for watching.